Pretty much have everything covered up right now. Next week, they say we're supposed to be having some freezing temperatures, getting down in the 20s. We covered up. Have some collard greens growing over here. I don't know if I'm gonna cover you guys up or not. I'm gonna see if y'all gonna hang with this temperature change that we're gonna be experiencing next week. May throw something over you guys. Trying to save my peppers over here. Peppers covered up here, jalapeno peppers. Okay, everybody covered up for now. Somewhat covered up. Like these are collard greens. I didn't know if this was cabbage growing here, but I see if a head forms, but it look like it's maybe collard greens. Curly kale here. I'm gonna try to pull this over here some more to cover this eggplant, but it look like it's on its last leg here. Have one still hanging in here. I don't see any more growing. I had harvested the last ones that were on here. I'm gonna try and cover this bed up a little better before next week, so we get all of this temperatures getting down in the 20s. Okay, let's see. See what's going over here in the hoop house. Oh boy, look at the lettuce growing over there. I see your lettuce. Still have some peppers growing over there. This is supposed to be my curly kale and some broccoli coming up in here, but I don't know. That's looking like carrot leaves almost, but I'll see for sure. I see that butter crunch lettuce over there I need to harvest. Let's see what's happening over here. Ooh, I have a lot of lettuce I need to harvest here. Cabbage growing over there. But I don't see any of my onions sprouting up in here. I had sowed a lot of onion seeds. I was trying to grow them from seed, but don't look like they're germinating. I don't know what you are that's growing, but I think I may have to pull you out. See some carrots over there. Some nice romaine lettuce right there that I need to harvest. But I'm gonna cover you guys up for sure before the cold freeze come next week. So I don't want to lose you guys.